Hey, gorgeous. Hi. Hello. How are you? Like for real? Yeah, for real. It's lovely. Carly, time to go, time to go. No time, no time, no time. So, in the Ferris wheel. This is it. This is Capetown. You can see how lovely it is. Victoria and Alfred waterfront. That's the Table Mountain. Look at it. It's amazing. That's the stadium. See it over there? That's the stadium. Sunset. A hotel probably with that lovely pool. Signal Hill. Table Mountain. Oh, they actually stop so that we take the view in. So look at that. Table Mountain, Signal Hill, Lionside is back there. The sun. It's lovely. Such a lovely view. Oh, I have seen everything views today, but this is lovely. Let's look at that. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Stadium over there. Let's see. Yeah, that is the stadium. The Capetown Stadium. Yeah, that's the one. That's Signal Hill with Lion's Head right behind it. And that's Table Mountain. And yeah, this is it pretty much. This is the waterfront, the sunset. Amazing. Water. Yeah, it's nice. This is nice. Really nice. 360 Table Mountain, Victoria and Alfred waterfront. Let's see what we have here. We have the sea. Hi. Okay, let me take you to the back camera. So it goes around like 5 times. Takes you around like 5 times, yeah. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Yes, look at that. Mukyanga nfuna abantu abankuba ebifaananyi owa wano abuze. Abantu tebalina mu kutambula, bonna bali mu kujoginga. The only people walking are jogging. Tosobola gamba muntu ajoginga ati nkuba ku kifaananyi. Naye kandabe.